As agriculture continues to evolve with the integration of advanced technology, drones have emerged as a crucial tool in modern farming. DJI, a leader in drone technology, offers two prominent models for agricultural applications: the DJI Agras T50 and the DJI Agras T40. Both models are designed to enhance efficiency and productivity in agricultural operations, but they come with distinct features and capabilities. This article delves into a detailed comparison of the DJI Agras T50 and T40, helping farmers and agricultural professionals make informed decisions. The DJI Agras T50 features a robust and durable design, built to withstand the rigors of agricultural use. It has a sleek, aerodynamic structure that enhances stability and efficiency during flight. The Agras T50 comes with a larger spreader tank, boasting a capacity of 75 liters compared to the T40's 70 liters. This increased volume allows for more extended operations without the need for frequent refills, making the T50 ideal for large-scale farming activities. It inherits a powerful coaxial twin-rotor propulsion system and a split-type torque-resistant structure. The T50 is equipped with a foldable design, making it easy to transport and deploy in various field conditions. It leverages a dual atomizing spraying system, front and rear phased array radars, and a binocular vision system. The Agras T50 features white propellers, a change from the T40's black propellers. The color change is not just cosmetic. The white propellers are designed to reflect sunlight better, reducing the risk of overheating and deformation. This results in more consistent performance and longevity of the propellers. Similarly, the DJI Agras T40 boasts a sturdy construction, designed for durability and long-term use in harsh agricultural environments. It also features a foldable design. Its foldable design reduces the aircraft size by 70% for greater portability, ensuring convenience in transportation and storage, especially with individuals with smaller cars. It is equipped with the revolutionary coaxial twin-rotor design. The aircraft is built in with a dual atomized spraying system, DJI Terra, active phased array radar and binocular vision. The T40's build emphasizes reliability, ensuring consistent performance in diverse farming conditions. One of the significant upgrades in the Agras T50 is its advanced sensor system. The T50 features dual active phased array radar and dual binocular vision sensors, which provide superior obstacle detection and terrain following capabilities. This allows the T50 to navigate slopes of up to 50 degrees, compared to the T40's maximum of 30 degrees. These enhancements ensure safer and more efficient operations, especially in complex environments. It is also designed to cover larger areas more efficiently than the T40. The T50 has a maximum spray width, swath of 36 feet, 11 meters, and can cover up to 50 acres per hour. In comparison, while the T40 has a spray width of 30 feet, 9.75 meters, and can cover up to 52 acres per hour. Both drones feature advanced impeller pumps, with the T50 achieving higher flow rates, making it suitable for extensive spraying and spreading tasks. The T50 also benefits from better flight stability and performance, ensuring consistent results even in challenging weather conditions. The Agras T40, while slightly smaller, is equally powerful in its performance. Is equipped with the revolutionary coaxial twin-rotor design, increases the payload capacity by 30% and enabling it to carry a spray load of 88.1 pounds and a spread load of 110.2 pounds, 70L. It has a payload capacity of up to 10.5 gallons for liquids or 66.1 pounds for solids. The T40 features intelligent spraying systems that ensure precise application, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. Its robust flight performance allows for effective coverage of large agricultural areas. As stated above, the T40 has a spray width of 30 feet, 9.75 meters, and can cover up to 52 acres per hour. Both drones feature advanced impeller pumps, but the T40 does not have as high of a flow rate. It also features the dual atomized spray disc, ensures even droplets and more efficient pesticide usage. The proprietary centrifugal valve prevents leakage, avoids overfertilization, and reduces pesticide use while protecting the environment. Both aircrafts comes with the aircraft weighing sensor that monitors the spread quantity and remaining payload. The Agras T50 is equipped with cutting-edge technology to enhance its functionality. It includes RTK, real-time kinematic positioning for centimeter-level accuracy, ensuring precise navigation and operation. The drone is integrated with AI-driven smart agriculture solutions, such as terrain sensing radar and obstacle avoidance systems, which enhance safety and efficiency during flights. Additionally, the Agras T50 supports variable rate application, allowing for tailored spraying based on crop needs. DJI has also significantly improved the battery cooling system in the Agras T50. The T50's battery cooling station is more robust, pre-assembled, and comes included in the box, ensuring immediate usability. In contrast, the T40's cooling station required assembly and had multiple screws that could loosen over time, necessitating regular maintenance. Both the T40 and T50 have a locking mechanism for the arms after unfolding. However, the T50 introduces an additional safety feature where the arm locks can only be opened by pushing an extra part, providing an extra layer of security against accidental unlocking. This improvement enhances operational safety, especially during intense fieldwork. The T40 also incorporates advanced technological features to boost its capabilities. It is equipped with RTK positioning for high-precision operations and AI-powered smart agriculture tools. The drone includes multi-directional obstacle sensing and avoidance, ensuring safe and reliable flights. The T40's intelligent spraying system can adjust the application rate dynamically, optimizing resource use and improving crop health. Both the T40 and T50 have a locking mechanism for the arms after unfolding. However, the T50 introduces an additional safety feature. DJI has significantly improved the battery cooling system in the Agras T50. The T50's battery cooling station is more robust, pre-assembled, and comes included in the box, ensuring immediate usability. In contrast, the T40's cooling station required assembly and had multiple screws that could loosen over time, necessitating regular maintenance. Also, the T50 battery weighs about 39.9 kilograms, excluding battery, 52 kilograms, including battery. Both batteries have the same duration time, which is about 7 to 10 minutes per battery flight. So getting a bundle is definitely recommended. The T40 is equipped with powerful batteries that offer impressive flight durations, suitable for extensive agricultural tasks. The internal battery lasts for 3.3 hours while the external battery lasts for 2.7 hours. With hovering time of 18 minutes. 8 supports instant charging without the need for cooldown, with circuit board level potting protection and resistance from water and corrosion. As stated above, both batteries have the same duration time, which is about 7 to 10 minutes per battery flight. The intelligent battery management system in the T40 ensures optimal performance and longevity of the batteries. Both the DJI Agras T50 and T40 are exceptional drones tailored for modern agricultural practices. The T50, with its larger payload capacity and advanced spraying technology, is ideal for large-scale farming operations requiring extensive coverage and high precision. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.